When people think about the fastest production vehicle ever made, their minds immediately jump to hypercars, machines like the Bugatti or Koenigsegg that dominate headlines with record-breaking top speeds. But what if the fastest production vehicle in the world isn't a car at all? The real surprise comes on two wheels. Motorcycles, thanks to their incredible power-to-weight ratio and aerodynamic efficiency, have long pushed the boundaries of speed. And one machine in particular stands out: the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Now here's the twist. While the H2R holds insane top speed records exceeding 400 km/h in controlled conditions, it isn't street legal. So if we're talking about production vehicles available to the public, the spotlight shifts to its street-legal sibling, the Kawasaki Ninja H2. With a supercharged engine producing mind-blowing horsepower, the Ninja H2 can reach speeds approaching 337 km/h, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles ever built. Compared to even the fastest hypercars, motorcycles often achieve extreme acceleration because they weigh significantly less while producing comparable power figures. That combination creates breathtaking performance that's hard to match on four wheels. So is it the absolute fastest production vehicle ever? Not quite. Land speed record machines and specialized hypercars may edge it out under specific conditions. But when it comes to production machines that you can actually buy, the answer might shock you. The crown doesn't belong to a car. It belongs to a motorcycle. When comparing the fastest production motorcycle to the world's top hypercars, the results are eye-opening. Take the Kawasaki Ninja H2, for example. It can hit a top speed of around 337 km/h and accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds. Compare that to a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, which reaches 490 km/h but weighs over twice as much. While the Chiron may have higher absolute top speed, the acceleration to weight ratio of the Ninja H2 makes it feel even faster over short distances. This is why motorcycles are so often underestimated in the speed debate. Another contender is the Ducati Panigale V4R, which pushes over 220 HP while weighing barely half of a typical hypercar. That combination of power and lightness allows for incredible agility and speed in real-world scenarios, especially on tight roads or tracks where top speed alone isn't everything. Hypercars excel on long straights, but bikes like the Ninja H2 dominate in acceleration and maneuverability, giving riders a visceral thrill that even the most expensive four-wheeled machines struggle to match. So, while a car might take the crown for absolute top speed, the fastest production motorcycles prove that speed is more than just numbers. It's about the feeling, the reaction, and the rush of raw power concentrated into a machine that you can control with your body as much as your hands. The fastest production vehicle may not be a car at all. It's a motorcycle, and it delivers an experience that hypercars can only dream of replicating. One of the most fascinating aspects of motorcycles like the Kawasaki Ninja H2 is how they outperform hypercars in acceleration and real-world thrill, even if they don't hold absolute top speed records. Thanks to their incredible power-to-weight ratio, superbikes can launch off the line with lightning speed, often beating cars that produce twice or three times their horsepower. A lightweight frame combined with a supercharged or higher-revving engine allows riders to experience instant acceleration with minimal lag, making every twist of the throttle feel explosive. Agility is another key advantage. Unlike a hypercar, which may weigh over 2,000 kilograms and require long braking zones, A superbike responds immediately to rider input, leaning into corners, adjusting throttle mid-turn, and shifting weight can dramatically affect performance, giving the rider a sense of control and thrill that no car can replicate. Electronic aids like traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS enhance this capability, allowing riders to push the limits safely while extracting maximum acceleration from the engine. The sensation of speed on a motorcycle is also amplified by the lack of cabin isolation. Unlike cars where the engine noise and wind are dampened, a superbike delivers raw auditory and physical feedback, making every second on the throttle feel faster. This combination of speed, lightness, and rider engagement is why motorcycles like the Ninja H2 often feel faster than some of the world's most powerful hypercars. In the end, the fastest production vehicle may not be measured solely by top speed. Real-world acceleration, agility, and the visceral experience of controlling a machine capable of such explosive performance make a superbike the ultimate speed machine for thrill seekers. When comparing top-tier motorcycles to the fastest hypercars, the numbers tell an interesting story, but the experience tells an even more compelling one. Take the Kawasaki Ninja H2, capable of roughly 337 km/h and sub-3 second 0-100 km/h acceleration, versus the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, which tops out over 480 km/h and reaches 100 km/h in around 2.8 seconds. On paper, the hypercar wins in raw speed, but the Ninja H2's lightweight frame and incredible maneuverability make it feel faster and more responsive over shorter distances or twisty roads. Motorcycles excel at translating engine power directly to motion because there's less mass to move. Every bit of horsepower accelerates the bike almost instantly, whereas hypercars, despite immense power, have to overcome heavier chassis, tires, and aerodynamic drag. This is why superbikes dominate short bursts and corner-heavy courses, delivering a level of immediacy and excitement that few four-wheeled machines can match. The riding experience also amplifies the sensation of speed. With no cabin insulation, wind and engine roar envelop the rider, creating a visceral feedback loop that hypercars can only partially replicate. Leaning through corners, feeling weight shifts, and managing throttle precisely engages the rider in a way that cars simply cannot. Ultimately, the debate isn't just about who has the highest top speed. For production vehicles that anyone can buy, the combination of acceleration, agility, and visceral thrill gives motorcycles a unique edge. The fastest production vehicle may surprise you. It's not a hypercar sitting in a garage, but a lightweight, powerful superbike designed to deliver maximum adrenaline at every twist of the throttle. In the end, the fastest production vehicle isn't determined solely by top speed or record-breaking numbers. It's about the complete experience of acceleration, control, and thrill. Motorcycles like the Kawasaki Ninja H2 prove that raw horsepower combined with lightweight design and advanced electronics can outperform even the most expensive hypercars in real-world excitement. With the Ninja H2, riders feel every ounce of power, every wheel rotation, and every lean into a corner, creating a connection between machine and rider that no car can replicate. Acceleration is explosive, brakes are razor-sharp, and agility is unmatched, making short bursts and twisty roads feel faster than any straight-line top-speed chase in a car. Electronic aids like traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS enhance performance while maintaining safety, giving riders confidence to push limits and explore the machine's potential. Unlike hypercars, motorcycles deliver an almost sensory overload. Engine roar, wind resistance, and full body engagement amplify the perception of speed, making every second on the throttle feel unforgettable. So while a Bugatti or Koenigsegg may hold the records on paper, production motorcycles like the Ninja H2 earn the crown in real-world thrill, responsiveness, and visceral excitement. They prove that speed is more than just numbers. It's about how it feels, how you control it, and how it challenges your senses. For adrenaline junkies and speed enthusiasts alike, the fastest production vehicle you can actually ride may not have four wheels at all. It has two, a roaring engine, and the ability to turn every ride into a heart-pounding adventure. In conclusion, determining the fastest production vehicle isn't just about top speed numbers. It's about acceleration, agility, and the visceral experience of riding or driving it. While hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus or Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut dominate headlines with record-breaking top speeds, production motorcycles like the Kawasaki Ninja H2 prove that two wheels can deliver equal or even greater thrills in real-world conditions. Their incredible power-to-weight ratio allows lightning, fast acceleration, tight cornering, and agility that even the most advanced hypercars struggle to match. Advanced electronics, including traction control, cornering ABS, and wheelie control, make it possible to harness that power safely while pushing the limits of performance. The true advantage of motorcycles lies in the complete sensory experience. Riders feel the engine, wind, and balance directly, creating an intensity that a car's insulated cabin can never replicate. This makes every twist of the throttle, every lean into a corner, and every burst of speed feel exponentially more thrilling. Even if a hypercar edges them out on paper for top speed, the engagement and adrenaline that a production superbike delivers put it in a league of its own. Ultimately, the crown for fastest production vehicle may surprise you. It's not a four-wheeled hypercar in a showroom, but a high-powered, street-legal motorcycle built for maximum excitement. For thrill seekers, speed enthusiasts, and anyone chasing adrenaline, two wheels can outrun four, proving that sometimes the fastest rides come in the most unexpected forms.